What does your worst day look like? A couple years ago, I remember it was summertime. One day, after having a terrible day at work, I walked out of the office, realized my bicycle had been stolen for the third time that year. Plus, there was pouring rain that day. So I had to walk for almost 1 hour in the heavy rain because there was no way that I could get a taxi. And the subway station was a couple miles away. So I ended up soaking wet when I got home and later caught the cold. When it rains, it pours, I guess. In Chinese, we say, 祸不单行. Hi, I'm Elena and welcome back to my channel. 祸不单行 means when you're having a really bad day and multiple unfortunate things happening to you. 祸, accident. 不, no. 单, alone. 行, walk. Accident, don't alone walk. When it rains, it pours. So we use this phrase to say that when there's so many bad things happening to us and we don't know what to do about it. For example, 我丢了工作，还生病了，祸不单行。I lost my job and I got sick. When it rains, it pours. Or 他被开除了，女朋友也和他分手了，祸不单行。He got fired, and his girlfriend also broke up with him. When it rains, it pours. 祸 fourth tone, 不 fourth tone, 单 first tone, 行 second tone. 祸不单行，祸不单行。Now back to our sentences. 我丢了工作，还生病了，祸不单行。他被开除了，女朋友也和他分手了，祸不单行。That's all for today. Here are some other videos I made on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.